Welcome to JH. Lately, everyone has been tagging me in this Koaly AI plush toy, and after finally looking into it, I definitely have thoughts. It's essentially a cuddly stuffed koala designed to talk your kid into sleeping better and feeling less anxious. It's a cute idea, but let's not lose our minds just yet, because apparently, we've reached the point where parents need a robot marsupial to handle the bedtime shift. I'll give them credit for the design. It's soft, fuzzy, and has a calming, glowing belly that any kid would get attached to. It offers sleep stories and breathing exercises, which are honestly quite sweet. On the tech side, Koaly isn't connected to Wi-Fi, which is a massive plus if you prefer your toys not to be secret data mining spies. However, don't expect ChatGPT in a teddy bear. This isn't having deep philosophical conversations with your toddler. It's more like a glorified soundboard with preloaded scripts pretending to be responsive. The marketing gets a bit dramatic, claiming this toy is changing children's mental health. But let's get real. It's not a licensed therapist. It's a plushie with some clever programming and audio clips. If a stuffed animal could actually solve clinical anxiety, we'd all be carrying teddy bears to our performance reviews. At $70, this thing is really pushing the limits of what a stuffed animal should cost, especially since it needs constant recharging to avoid becoming a very expensive paperweight. Parents are split on the results, with some praising the new routine and others watching their kids get bored within 48 hours. If your child is under 8 and needs help winding down, it might be worth a look, but don't expect it to magically fix deep-seated sleep issues. My take is that it's not a scam, just heavily overhyped. A regular book and a basic sound machine will do the exact same job for a fraction of the price. If I just saved you $70 on an overpriced gadget, hit like and subscribe for more weekly reviews with zero BS. So is it cuddly or cringe? Drop a comment and let me know.